What's goody, what's goody, what's goody? I'm back again, and it is Self-Care Sunday, so you know I am taking care of this skin, darling. And today, I have a very special episode just for you. I'm doing a little bit of a plant haul from my friends and my very favorites at Potted Elephant. Shout out to Corey Paul. What's good, boo? I love you. I miss you. I need to see you. Mwah. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So, earlier this week, Corey sent me a nice little package of plants that I ordered. And I'm really excited to share them with you because I think it's a pretty good haul. Like, I'm pretty stoked. A lot of these I've never owned before. So I'm pretty excited. Should we get into it? Let's do it. What's good? So first up is this beautiful Monstera Adansonii. Check out those fenestrations. Beautiful, gorgeous. I mean, like, can we get a close up? Like, just gorgine. Beautiful, gorge. Now see, okay, so when I was making this purchase, I really wanted a bunch of these aroids that were climbers because of my most recent fascination is moss poles. And I want to mix different plants together to create just a visual masterpiece of tropical glory. So that's what I'm doing. And that's why I have a lot of these climbers today. So yes, on to the next. Next up, we have the one, the only Monstera siltepecana. Girl, look at those leaves. Like, honestly, gorgine. And I can't wait to see this girl climb because you know she is about to give us the drama. And I'm really excited just to see how she matures and what she turns into, to be honest. Like, such a cute little baby. And I'm excited. And she's giving me a new little leaf right there. So, you know what's good. Next up is the one, the only Monstera Stanley variegata. Now, check this girl out. Honestly, gorgine, beautiful. Wait, let me get a good shot of it. I really cannot wait to see this plant mature because I have seen mature versions of this plant and they are gorgeous. And I'm just really excited to see the festival of leaves that this gives, the new variegation, and how it's gonna splatter on the leaves. So I'm really excited to get into this gig with this girl, so what's good? Next. So this next girl, I've actually been wanting her for a minute, and I was so happy to see that Corey had her. So without further ado, we have Miss Cebu Blue. Now, gorgine. Okay, talk about 3 different growth points. So happy, so excited. But honestly, just gorgine. And already, like, she has given me the fantasy because I could already picture her going up the moss pole and just one leaf here, one leaf there, one leaf here, one leaf there. It is gonna just give me the shows and I am all about it. One more close up of this baby because she is beautiful. Check her out. Now, next is another one that I've been wanting for a minute too. And I'm so happy that Corey had it because I have been like seeking for it, looking for it. And finally, I got my little grubby hands on it. This next baby is the Philodendron hastatum, or better known as the silver sword. Now look at these leaves. Like, oh my gosh. I'm honestly gagged. Like, can y'all really like take that in? Can y'all take that in? She is beautiful. Like, look at this green veinage and then these silver leaves. I'm just like, I'm really happy right now. Like, this growing up next to the Cebu Blue, and I have a Syngonium chia pens. These 3 growing up a moss pole together, I'm like, the fantasy. Like, that is giving me the fantasy. So, get into it. One last look. Oh, she pretty. Okay. So last, but definitely not least, this baby is a looker and a stunner and a shooter. Like, I can't wait to get my little camera out, click, 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 on these leaves because they are gorgine. Beautiful, stunning, Are y'all ready? The last baby of this plant haul is Miss Epiprenum pennatum. Look, honey, darling, look at those holes, look at those fenestrations. And look at the way that it's already growing. It's giving me a Dr. Seuss fantasy. Dr. Seuss fantasy. Now, I am just gagged by the whole, like, these leaves. I'm over the moon. And the seeds. My plants haul is over. I'm so happy with these babies. I cannot wait to plant them and get them climbing to give me that fantasy. And before I sign off, I just want to say thank you so much to Corey at the Potted Elephant. These plants came in impeccable condition. The packaging, impeccable. The experience, impeccable. Thank you so much. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. And I will see you guys next time. I gotta go get this mask off. I got a little plan tonight. What's cool?